Yes, I'm playing with the AK.
I'm Yo-yoshi, so get the fuck out my way.
It's always my birthday. What you say?
I'm Bulldog, I don't fucking play. I'm tough puppy, but I ain't fucking gay. I'm Simba, boy, I'll beat you till you turn gray.
I'm off of yo. I'm here to fuck it up, nigga. Hunter, monster, get this motherfucker. No! Hold on.
Oh, here comes the night move.
Hold on, you thought I was done? Hit them with a gun. Now you wanna make fun? Try to make them one. God City ain't no joke. Out here you get smoke. Left a hoe, get the dough. Fucking the shit out of Kiki, yo. Walk in the club, they yo, whoa. Hit this ill, yo, and no. They said I can't make a song, but they wrong. Niggas mad, cause Glock City's more strong. Bitch, you want beef? Bring it fucking on. Oh man! Huh! Well, I guess the bet changed. It used to be blue. Now it's new. Y'all like the rhyme?
Oh, fucking hell, my lord, shit.
Hey, everybody! What? I'm tired of y'all not celebrating my birthday, so y'all gonna celebrate my birthday and put on this fucking birthday hat.
Oh, me and, Bulldog are sick. Blah, yeah, we gotta go to the, doctor. Come on, Bulldog, what the? No, let's go. I don't wanna deal with this nigga shit.
I'm always the one that got to get left in this shit. Oh yeah, and Joy gotta do it too. Bro, I don't wanna do this fucking dumb shit. Really, nigga? I was in the middle of clapping Kiki, yo. I don't got time for this fucking doo-doo shit. The fuck?
Sure, we're gonna let it go!
Fine. Oh, fine, bro. I guess I'm gonna have to wear this retarded shit. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy fuck this. What? Fuck this shit. I'm not down with it. I'm tired of this fucking booty hole shit. I'm out. Oh yeah, it's your birthday. It's your birthday. Yeah, I said that so he won't fucking go off. Actually, it's not your birthday. You won't do nothing about it. You ain't gonna turn it on, mama. No, you turn it. Well, since he's getting destroyed, I think it's time to look at some beautiful woman. Since Dre went away, he not gonna know. We're gonna look at some Kingyo. Ooh, nice. Look at this bitch. Hold on. Look at this sexy ass. I want some of that ass right now. He don't know right now. Let me find a sexy photo of her. Let me go back up. Ooh, she's looking kind of sexy right here, though. Just look at that. Yum. Let's see if we can look at more. Is there any more? I want to look at some titties, you know? Some titties. Damn, we need some more. Ooh, just look at that. Hey, oh, shit. Yo, I know what the fuck you was doing, nigga. What the fuck? No, nigga, you can't, you're not slick. You're not fucking slick, yo.
I couldn't help it, bro.
Why are you looking at her?
You're kind of sexy.
You can't get out in this one, no. You can't get out. You know what? I'm gonna punch one for yo. Cause I fucking don't like him, and I'm pissed. So damn, don't ever do that shit again, and get your own bitch, bro. Get the fuck out. I'm kicking you out. I don't care. I'm kicking you out.
Shut up. You can't get a bitch. Please. No, please.
Shut up. Stick a poop in your ass. Shut up. You like that pain, bitch? And you, I'm taking you out until you get your own anime, bitch. Never take mine again. Get out. Don't ever look at Kikyo again. That's my bitch. I pooped my pants. I hope my son hates me. I don't know why. Damn it, Mickey Mouse Dad really is kind of a faggot. I'm not gonna lie. But Mickey Mouse is still my homie, though. But hey, I'm still upset that Dwayne kicked me the fuck out. I said never look at Kikyo. But see, when he was a sexy hoe. You can't lie about that, you know? And I whined like Cat in the Hat. I'll get the bat in any fucking way. Damn. He told me I can't come back unless I find myself a girl, man. But I don't even know what he said. Oh, damn. Who is that sexy? That is one sexy bitch. Damn, I love how her fucking teeth look weird and her fucking eyes look gigantic and she coughed like a maniac. I love that so fucking much for some reason. I find it attractive. Cause this universe is weird. Hey you. Who the fuck is this tiny minion head-ass nigga on barbecue sauce ass nigga? Hey, better back up, nigga. You don't know who you're messing with. Nigga! Bruh, get the fuck out of here with your fucking beaver teeth ass nigga. I'ma go explode, nigga. Go explode your toilet because you ate too much tacos. I mean, I did explode it last night, but hey, I don't care. I'm the coolest dude around. You better step back. Just shut up, okay? That bitch is mine. You can't have her. Nah, she's mine, bro. She asked me out. Hey, come over here. Oh shit, I'm nervous. Hey, she gonna want me, bro. You don't want any piece of her. Shut the fuck up. Nah, you need to shut up. Nigga, shut your gay ass up. You little smart poop. Damn, you smart. You walk for your bean poop head ass nigga. Damn, walk for your head green shit. Damn, nigga, you smaller than an ant. Damn, you small as shit. And you look like poke on crack. And that nigga got a long ass neck. Damn, just out trying to roast. Hey, you. What's your name, pretty? My name? My name is insane. Alright. Damn, her voice is sexy. Yeah, I know. For some reason, I really like her voice, and it kind of sounds weird, but hey, what's your name, baby? Let me get some. Hey, that's my bitch. Hey, bitch, you want to fight? Hey, come here, bitch. You want to fight, bitch? You want to fight? Motherfucker. You pussy ass bitch, you bean head ass nigga. I'm gonna go explode. Let me take a fart and explode farts. Oh hell no, that's this ink. That explode my fucking nose. You know I'm a bomb. Now it's time to hit you. Let me go to my fart and let me hit you with the fart punch. Oh shit, oh damn, that's ink. Yeah, bitch, I'm gonna explode your ass. Shut the fuck up. Bitch, come at me, motherfucker. I really like you. I like you. Who are you talking to? I like you. I like the voices in my head. This bitch is kind of psychotic. But hey, I like that. Hey, shut up, okay? I'm the coolest man around. You wanna fight, bitch? So both of y'all want me, huh? So the only way both of you can get me, y'all have to fight. And whoever wins can have a piece of Toga. Okay, I guess that's your name, Toga. I mean, them panties, though. Shut the fuck up, you faggot ass puff! This is gonna be fun! You ready to fight, bitch? I wanna beat your ass! I'm the toughest motherfucker on this planet. Fight me. Aight, nigga? was easy as shit. Damn, that nigga was weak. Shit never shit on my head, bitch. Anyway, fucking bitch. Hey, you wanna be my girl, baby? Yeah, I do like your sweet, beautiful eyes. And your ears smell beautiful. Okay, you're a little weird, but hey, I'm not regretting it. Hopefully later on I'm not gonna say I regret it because I'm a kind of spoiled shit. I'ma regret it. Anyway, let's go back to the video. Come on, let's go do stuff. And not like that, YouTube, you bitch. So don't even try. Oh man, that was fun as shit. And it felt good. YouTube, don't try. Anyway, yeah, I'm not gonna tell anyone because they're gonna get age restricted. But you just kept staring at me like a weirdo. Fucking creep. Well, I'm gonna go to sleep. Good night, nigga. Nigga, get the fuck away from me with your butt Cheeto head ass. Damn, I don't want to smell that eggy ass breath. Damn, just shut up. Damn, nigga, that breath stinks so fucking bad to the point if I put duct tape on your mouth, it's gonna melt. Even if it's fucking made out of steel, it's gonna still fucking melt. That's how fucking hot your damn breath is. That shit is hot as shit. Damn. Oh, come on, man, hours later. Oh no, I gotta poop. What the fuck? You wanna see me poop? Here, look at me poop. You like my ass pooping? Oh, hell nah, nigga. Get the fuck out the fucking bed. I'm not damn that eggy shit. Yeah. Hell nah, nigga, you fucking weird. I don't wanna deal with your shit. Get the fuck out. Hell nah, nigga. You took a poop on me. Hell nah. Get the fuck out of me. You wanna poop on me, bitch? Get the fuck. Wow, fight me, bitch. Hell nah, nigga. Hell nah. Fuck out of here. Hell nah, nigga. Whoop. I'm not sleeping with that bitch again. Damn, she still has that fucking tacos? Anyway, I'm just gonna walk outside. I don't wanna deal with I don't wanna deal with this bitch. Hey, I need to talk to you. Who's that? Shut the fuck up! And tell me why you called my name. Look, I called you because I need to tell you something about what happened to my best friend. What? Alright, I don't need to deal with this shit, okay? You talking about some retarded shit. Wait. Hear me out. He was with your girl, right? My girl? Alright, let me hear this shit. This is important, bro. Look. So I'm gonna tell you a story why you shouldn't date your girlfriend, bro. She is bad. Alright, I'm gonna tell you right now. Okay. Oh, sorry, hold on. Anyway, any fucking way, I'm gonna tell you the story why you shouldn't date your girl, bro. Once upon a time. You liked the cards. I liked you a little tied up. Please, leave me alone. I don't want to be here, man. I want to be free. I don't even go to hell on the Ashwood. Shut the fuck up. That's why I cut your head. That's why I cut the little thing on your head, and I like to lick it. I'ma lick this off. Yeah, look at my bones. This is our pet mouse. Please, I'm sorry. Please untie me, and please, no, I'm getting electrocuted. Please, stop. Now, I'm gonna cut you to the eyes, and the skull comes out. No! And that's the reason why you shouldn't date your girl. She's psychotic, dude. Oh, hell ass no! I knew that bitch was weird as fuck. Oh, hell no! I'ma just go break up with her. No, don't do that. She's gonna chase you, bro. You have to find a way to kill her. How the fuck am I supposed to do that shit? You know what? The way how to kill her is, you have to, actually, I don't know. Bitch ass, hey, hold on, shut the fuck up. Bitch, I ain't doing this. Alright, hold on, let me talk. Alright, bitch. Damn. Let me tell you, there is another way. Damn, it just beat the shit out of me. Damn. All you gotta do is hook her up with someone else. Man, I don't know if that's gonna work. Man, I'm just gonna leave. Faggot! Oh my goodness. Where was you? Why wasn't you asleep? I be watching you asleep. Where are you? Nigga, I just went on a walk. No, you're gonna be mine. No, I don't know it. Fuck this. I don't want you, bitch. You want this? You want this? Hell no, that's just ain't. No, bitch, I'm gonna fight back. No. Get the fuck off of me, you fucking weird ass. Bitch, off of me. Bitch. I will get you. I will. Oh shit. Hey yo, what's wrong, bro? You going insane, nigga?
It's crazy.
Bro, I told you to get out, bro, and get yourself a girl, cause you know.
Nigga, we don't got time for that shit. There's a psychotic bitch. Yes, coming here. She's coming right now, nigga.
Wait, she coming here?
Yes, right now.
Hold on, bro.
Yeah, go get the fucking strap, nigga. Go get that shit.
Let me get the fucking strap. I ain't doing this, bitch. Alright, nigga, hold on. Oh, hell no, nigga, your breath ain't. Oh, hell no, what the fuck is that shit? Oh, hell. That did not hurt a bit. Well, Yo-yoshi, buddy. This is your problem, so I'm fucking out. Bye. Now it's just you and me. I love you. And let me cut them ears for you. Oh, fuck. How the hell do I get out of this? Think. I know. Actually, I don't know if you're gonna want me. I will want you. I do want you. Actually, I have AIDS. Dun. Oh, hey, I know about this bitch with your fucking booty hole ass in. I'm about to eat shit, then fuck someone with AIDS. I'm out. Nope, I'm out of this bitch. I'm out of this fucking... Damn, that bitch is stupid. Well, I'm out. At least I'm off the hook. Ah, man. I wish I could get somebody. I wish. Oh, hey, babe. I guess that dude wasn't as strong as me. Look at these muscles. You like how I flex, baby? He wasn't as cool as me. Yeah, you sexy. I'ma trick this dude. Let's go, baby. Yeah. Well, rest in peace to the douchebag of 2021. I guess this episode, I'm not getting beat up. Ha. Every episode! Why? Every fucking episode! Please stop! No! Please!
Drill, for real, so I don't fuck around and get killed. On probation, but I'm still chasing that bag till I get killed. Money be the medicine.